Just ahead, it's a kids class for Project Runway fans. We'll visit a local shop that makes sewing and design fun for everyone. Coming up next. Well, whether you're 2 or 20, 17 or 70, there's no wrong time to learn how to design and sew your very own clothes. Here's Joelle with a local shop helping everyone do just that.
Nestled on East 84th Street is a small business making a big impact. It is called the Fashion Class. Think of it as Project Runway, but for the little ones. Carrie, this is one of those shops. I have walked past this so many times and always wondered what goes on inside, only to find out there's a really beautiful backstory to how the Fashion Class came to be.
Yes, that's right. So I started this business all the way back in 2010, kind of just starting out as, you know, as a side gig. But we teach children how to sew and create their own clothing.
And you do a lot more than that. You're also training young girls and boys how to be entrepreneurs. Talk to me a little bit about that.
Yes, that's right. So when I was 12, I loved sewing, but I really always wanted to be a business owner. So part of the program that we do here is teaching kids about all the different facets of fashion. So we will go over entrepreneurship and how to create a logo and market and brand yourself. We will go over textile science and how to know the difference between synthetics and natural fibers. They're also making clothing, so things that they can actually wear, and it's just an amazing way to build confidence in a kid and show them how to be creative.
Okay, so on any given day, what's going on in here?
Sure, so we will sometimes start the morning off with the toddler crafts class. Around 3 o'clock, the older kids come after school, and then we'll do adult classes in the evenings.
So this is where all the classes happen.
This is the classroom.
Adorable.
Yep. Thank you. All right, so we're gonna pick some fabric.
All right.
So we're gonna make a simple circle skirt for your girl.
This is something that you would do in one class or over multiple classes?
This is something that people can come and do in one class. So we do mommy and me lessons, we do play dates, and those are just 2-hour quick lessons. You come in and you make something. We're gonna go from the point straight out diagonally. Try to use your entire scissor blade if you can, so it's not choppy. Perfect circle.
Yes. I'm a child.
And usually when I do this, the kids are like, "We're done." And I'm like, no, you're not done, but you're close. So we're gonna start by putting our elastic under the needle. This is called the machine foot. You have to put that down using this gray lever right here.
You just made that seem so easy.
All right, we're ready.
How'd I do?
You did a great job. I'm so proud of you.
Now, can people pop in?
Yes. So we do mommy and me's and play date lessons where people can book just a couple hours and come and make something.
Fantastic. I'm going to put this on my girls and send you a picture.
I can't wait to see it.
So cute, the girls and the skirts.